the largest part of the human race now live in urban areas. So it means we don't get the opportunity to go out into nature. Nature is our natural home. We're animals. We were never born to live in houses. This is our natural home. And by coming back to nature, we're helping ourselves with stress relief. We're lowering our blood pressure. We're regulating our heart rate. We're building a strong immune system. So we're helping ourselves both physically and mentally. I want you to really think carefully about your life and about the life of nature and understand that we are all interconnected.